Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things quirky and fun. Today, we're diving into a product that's sure to tickle your funny bone and spark your imagination. The Isaacalyx 5-Packs Dino Nugget Pillow Plush. Yes, you heard that right. These are not just your average pillows. They're the best Dino Nuggets frozen in plush form. At first glance, you might wonder, what's the deal with dinosaur chicken nugget pillows? Well, these adorable plushies blend two beloved concepts: dinosaurs and chicken nuggets. Each pack comes with 5 uniquely styled pillows, featuring charming designs like the Tyrannosaurus Rex, Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Pterodactyl, and Brontosaurus. They're soft, squishy, and perfect for cuddling. These pillows are not just for show, they're incredibly versatile. Whether you're using them as decorative pieces for a dinosaur-themed party, brightening up your living room, or snuggling up with them on the couch while watching your favorite dino movie, they fit right in. They even make fantastic gifts for birthdays or special occasions, especially for the little ones who adore dinosaurs. Now, let's talk about size. The Dino Nugget pillows come in a small size, perfect for kids and adults alike. Each pillow is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, so whether you're off to a friend's house or simply moving from the living room to your bedroom, these pillows are your ideal companions. They are even a great hug buddy, ready to offer comfort and fun. One of the standout features of these plush pillows is their unique design. Each dinosaur is crafted with a cute, brown plush exterior, resembling a delicious chicken nugget. This creative blend of food and fun will surely bring smiles to anyone who sees them. They are not just pillows, they're conversation starters. You can even turn these pillows into part of your games. Get creative and integrate them into your playtime adventures. Pretend you're on a prehistoric expedition or hosting a chicken nugget feast. The possibilities are endless, and they guarantee hours of imaginative fun. What about maintenance? Don't worry, these pillows are designed to be low maintenance. You can easily spot clean them if they get dirty, ensuring they stay looking fresh and fun for years to come. So, if you're looking for the perfect mix of cute and practical, the Isaacalyx 5-Packs Dino Nugget Pillow Plush is a delightful addition to your home. They're not just pillows, they're a whimsical touch to your decor that everyone can enjoy. Grab your own pack of these fantastic dinosaur chicken nugget pillows and bring a slice of joy into your life. You won't just be getting pillows, you'll be inviting fun and creativity into your space. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unique product reviews. Until next time, keep it fun and keep it creative.